Hey, what's going on, everyone? Here today I got a 2013 Porsche Carrera. We installed an Apple Carplay integrated system right to the factory head unit. I have my iPhone here connected via Bluetooth. You also have to have the system on aux. That's where you get the audio from once you're in CarPlay mode. Connect Bluetooth first. It also does wireless. To simply activate it, here on the nav button, you're going to press and hold it for a few seconds. Activates the CarPlay. Not connected USB. It's all wireless. It also does Android Auto. Touchscreen. There you go. If you want to go back to factory, press and hold the nav again. Takes you back to factory radio. Also installed a backup camera right to the factory screen also. Thank you guys for watching.